All right. Thank you all. Good evening, good morning, and thank you for my co-host for tonight, G. Arthur and Grace. And I would like to request if you can mute and stay quiet because I'm recording this tonight. Okay? And let's see. For those who are new, who doesn't know me yet, my name is Joy Arsenas. I'm out here in Orange County, California. I'm your level 7 servant leader. I'm a senior investment advisor and a newly BG shareholder. I'm a former senior auditor with the City of Los Angeles. So that's kind of my credential. Okay, so tonight we are going to do live how to create your SafePal wallet, how to fund your DSJ account, how to authenticate your DSJ account, how to bind your receiving wallet, and how to let Elena know that this is your first withdrawal. And then we are going to withdraw money from our DSJ account and send it to your SafePal wallet. How's that? Okay, so I hope everybody are going to have their notebook, right? Buy a 99 cents notebook and make it your $1 billion notebook. Because in my experience, I've seen quite a few members lost money because they forgot their password. They forgot their 6-digit PIN code. You don't want to do that, okay? So welcome everyone. Welcome to BG Wealth Sharing Limited. And tonight we are going to do a lot of things in our back office. But before that, I would like to have update for you. As you all know, we have a 5-day promo, right? For those who are members who wants to add on or top up their account. Yeah, the members already who wants to add on, if less than 5,000, you get 5%. And if it's over 5,000, you get 10%. Okay, so take advantage of that for those whose initial deposit is like 300, 500, right? And you want to increase your count. Okay, and what else? Uh, we are open for um, application to be a senior investment advisor. Professor is looking for trainers, presenters, so you might want to apply. You have to be level 2, okay? And also, if you're interested to have your own BG Wealth Consulting Center, it's probably a very good idea because if you are already training your members, it's good because you know what? You don't have to go around and look for members. People will come to your center and you just have to uh, train them, teach them, present the business, and you can register on the spot too, right? So, and then I would like to give a time of appreciation to our CEO. If I can share my screen here, uh, Professor Stephen, right? Everybody knows our CEO, and he is for me, if without him, I won't be here. He was my mentor. I consider him already a friend on the wall, on our business. If you don't know my story, I started February 17, 2025 with $333. And Professor Stephen guided me on how to become a millionaire out of that money. Can you imagine if you are a beginner and your mentor is telling you that do not underestimate that $300, Joy, because that can take you to 1 million. And I said, okay, I'm listening. Right? So uh, I would like to thank him for everything that I've got today. I experienced financial freedom, right? When you reach level 5, you can feel that financial freedom because that's about 7,200 a month. And today is our payday. I told him, Professor, thank you so much. You're making me rich today. And I received my level 7, $10,962. Why is that? The minimum is 10,000. That means that my volume trading has increased. Okay, so, all right. And so make him your friend. Thank him all the time. Okay. And of course, an utmost respect for Professor Stephen. Okay. And give him a lot of hearts. And he can guide you through if you need help with financial crisis. I told him everything about my financial problems, right? I was facing foreclosure in 2025. I have a creditor that I owed $120,000 and he put a lien on my deed and he wanted me to foreclose my home and become homeless. But luckily, BG came and I just believe on Professor Stephen, believe in myself. I trust BG, I trust Professor, and run it like no tomorrow. Okay? So, as a beginner, trust yourself and trust the process of BG and start learning the business and master the back office. Okay, so that's about Professor Stephen, and I'm going to share now our SafePal wallet. Okay, how to create your SafePal wallet so you can have your receiving wallet to bind to your DSJ account. And let's see who is our model for tonight. Our model tonight is Dr. Leo Ableta. Dr. Leo, can you share your screen? Thank you. If you need help, let me know. Okay, when you start, first thing first, you go to App Store if you have an iPhone, or if you have a Android or Samsung, you go to Play Store. So Dr. Leo is using iPhone, so he's going to search and type in SafePal. Okay, that's the SafePal in the middle, right? And then you click Get. Now you can open. Allow. Okay, so I'm teaching SafePal for beginners. If you already have a wallet, you don't have to. Okay, this is for beginners because it's easy to create and easy to follow. Okay, so if you have your own wallet now, you don't have to do this. Okay, this is for beginners who wants to bind their receiving wallet. Okay, so you click create new wallet. Then you create your 6-digit PIN code. This is so important, this 6-digit PIN code. Make sure you don't lose this because every time you withdraw, you need this 6 code. Okay, you confirm with your 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then enable with your Face ID. You allow. Very good. Wow, Dr. Leo, you're a pro. So you click back up now. Then here, make sure you back up manually. Okay, back up manually because you have control of your password. Then this 3 important statement, you can read it. The loss of mnemonic phrase will lead to permanent asset loss. See that? That's why it's so important to read it. Once the app is deleted, the wallet data will be all deleted. Please back up the mnemonic phrase in the secure environment. Make sure there is no third party or camera around you during the backup. Okay, so check mark all these 3 important statements and you click understood. Now you enter the 6-digit PIN code. Okay, from here, only Dr. Leo can see the 12 words. So he is going to write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Okay. You can always change the binding wallet if you have much better wallet for you. Okay. This is for beginners. Make sure you review the word. I have a member, she wrote 12 words, but can you imagine she missed the number 1? Yes, if you have Coinbase, you can use Coinbase USDT ERC20 Ethereum. Okay. SafePal, we use USDT Tron or TRC20. Any wallet that you know, you can use it. Okay, right now we don't have a slide because he is writing the 12 words. Okay. Sometimes the deposit for Bitcoin, you need to ask Elena for updates. If you want to deposit direct to the SJ, okay, that's something that you need to talk to Elena if the deposit address in the system is updated. Keep it simple, yeah. USDT, TRC20. If you're more technical, you use USDT, ERC20. So you can read it, right? It says there's 4 items that you can learn from the SafePal. Glad to have you with us. Let's quickly walk you through the 4 features of SafePal. So you click next. So SafePal can send, can receive, can swap, okay, can buy, can sell. Okay. So next, and aside from USDT TRC, you need gas fee for it called TRX. So TRX, TRON, Tron, or TRC20 is one and the same, but you use coin, okay? COIN, coin. Okay, next. So you've completed the guide. Enjoy your crypto journey. See how easy that is, right? Okay, so click anywhere on your screen and look for USDT TRC20. Yes, Coinbase only supports ERC20. If you like Coinbase, you can do that. Send it to DSJ and it will convert for you to USDT TRC20. So you click USDT TRC20, second from below. All right. So if you notice, this is already paired, right? USDT with TRX, the red triangle. Do you see that? So now you are ready to bind your receiving wallet. So there are two receive and send in the bottom. Do you see that? So because this is your receiving wallet, you are going to click receive, the one in the bottom. Receive. So you click that and you can dismiss all because we read all that already. So take your time, okay? Take your time. USDT TRC20 on the top and take note of the 5 characters of your wallet address in the bottom of the QR code. What is that? AGIEKD. So write that down in your notebook. And you click copy. Don't worry, I recorded it. Okay, you guys. I can give you a copy of the recording. If I'm fast, I'm going to slow it a little bit. Yes, it's recorded. So now you click copy. You're going to click copy and it says copied, right? So now you're going to bind. You're going to bind your receiving wallet to your DSJ account. Okay. All right. For those who wants the recording, write down your email address on the chat. G will copy it for you. All right. So go to your DSJ account. Okay, and you click. So now this is his DSJ account. To bind, you click the avatar on the top left. Okay, avatar on the top left. Okay, so look at the security in the very bottom of the screen and you scroll up. Now you click bind. You see that? Bind withdrawal address. So since we are using USDT TRC20, we are going to paste the wallet address. If you're using Coinbase, you can click ERC20, okay? So those who are using Coinbase with USDT, Ethereum, you can click ERC20, the one next to TRC20, okay? And then review. Slow down and review the 5 character of your address. So take a look in your notes if it's the same before you click submit. Okay? So when you're ready and you sure, okay, now you know that you're sure it's the same address, now you click submit. Okay, so submitted successfully. Now you click arrow back from the top to know if your wallet address was binded. Then you click assets. Click assets, click withdrawal, and you compare. Is it the same as in your notes, the 5 or 6 character of your address? Looks the same, right? So it looks the same. Congratulations, Dr. Leo. Yay! Now you have a wallet. So now you can withdraw. All right. But before that, the second step is to authenticate your DSJ account. All right. So to authenticate, you arrow back from the top, then you click home, you click the avatar from the top left, and you see there's 2 things to authenticate: your basic verification and the advanced verification. So you start with basic verification. You need your driver's license, your state ID, or your passport. Those are the government ID that you need to do your soft identity verification. So go ahead and click basic verification. So now it needs the United States, the area, the region. If you're in the Philippines or Singapore, you change that. Okay? Enter your country. But since Dr. Leo is in the United States, and then he needs to enter the name according to his ID. By the way, Dr. Leo is a dentist. You can visit his dental clinic in Huntington. Oh my God, I'm promoting your clinic now. Okay, so go ahead, enter your name so everybody would know Dr. Leo. Okay, according to your ID. And do you know, guys, Dr. Leo is also a model. Ooh, he must be good looking guy. He's smiling. Then you enter ID number means your driver's license or your state ID or your passport ID. It's not your DSJ ID. Okay, remember that. It's your driver's license number. And then you enter the city according to your ID. Dr. Leo, where's your clinic? Turans. Okay, Turans. If you need any dental problem, call Dr. Leo. Okay, now you submit, right? Click submit. Wow, submitted successfully. Okay, so you arrow back from the top and you click the avatar. In few minutes or an hour or less than an hour, it can be authenticated. So click the avatar. Okay, so it says in authentication. And once this is authenticated, you can go ahead and do the advanced verification. And in advanced verification, you download the front only, the front of your driver's license, and you download your selfie with your driver's license. Okay, and that's it. Once it's authenticated, now you can go to your bond chat, okay, and tell Elena, let's say you're ready to withdraw, right? So that's the third step, is to let Elena know. You say, hi, Elena, this is my first withdrawal. Below is my receiving wallet address. Then you send her your selfie with the driver's license. Do you know that in Bond Chat, there is also a camera? Okay, you can open that camera and take a selfie of yourself with your ID. Okay, and then after that, now you're ready to withdraw. But you have to wait after Elena tells you that, okay, go ahead and submit your withdrawal. Then you can withdraw. Okay, so now we are going to withdraw. All right, so thank you so much, Dr. Leo. Now you can stop share, and we have a new model. You're fired. So,